Corner shop glow on a rain-soaked bend. Loose change in my palm, trying to borrow a friend. Petrol in the air, heads low when we move. Sorry mate from the man, yeah we know the rules. Shoes beat down, soles flapping when I step. Doors bang loud in the blocks where we slept. Skate vids looping on a cracked up screen. Same tricks running, same dreams unseen. Static on the radio, late night hue. Plans on pause, everything overdue. Being broke wasn't shame, it was how we live. Dinner ticket lines, take whatever they give. Rust in the chain on the bike I ride. Half pipes nailed from scraps we'd find. Bent up boards but we rode them hard, till the night fell thick in the empty yards. Stolen pages just to feel something hit. Smoke in the stairwells, lies on drip. Corners raised us, more than a vibe. Hand me down home, borrowed shine. Wired to survive with nothing intact. Here around the corner we walked it back. Corners raised us, taught us to grind. Hand me down home, borrowed time. Built from the let, scars intact. Here around the corner we walked it back. Where the footsteps stayed, crates stacked up where the debts got paid. Flyers stuffed deep in the pockets of coats. Sweat from the rave still stuck in our throats. Morning light shows, stains on the ground. People peel off when the high runs down. Cheap coats shining on the street like glare. Cold in the bones but we didn't care. Food smells from the late night spot. Sweet and spice, but the money's not. Scrapping, stealing, just staying alive. Not a choice, just the way we were designed. Corners raised us, more than a vibe. Hand me down home, borrowed shine. Still wired to live through the cracks. Hell around the corner we walked it back.